Hey, welcome back to Troll Wars, guys. Yeah, I've done some expanding on my house. I'm back today because I got a text earlier this morning from both one of my Minecraft servers. But I didn't get the message until 7 in the morning. And I hear cows. Why do I hear cows? Wait. No! That's good. Oh my god! Why are there cows in my house? I'm stuck. How are you? I look like I'm gonna see you. I need my sword. Oh, you get out. 19 cows. God dang. I'll get whoever did this. What's up, trading villager? What? Is that like a tree? Someone's living in a tree? I think that's Mason. I think that's Bob. His real name is Mason. He made it kind of difficult for me to get over here. I'm just busting. So what's going on here? Okay. Looks like you've done some work. Which is fair enough. I want to troll Phil, actually. I've seen Phil's house, but I haven't seen this, so I'll be right back after I find Phil's house. There's some iron in here too. Phil's house. Okay. Now, I'm guessing this is really big. Interesting. I just wanted to show you guys the process. Don't tell him I used it. Oh, there's more iron in here. I might actually be able to make some shoes or something with this. Alright, 10 iron, not bad. Now let's get out of here. Might as well grab some of this coal. Don't worry, I'll make Phil a pickaxe after this. Alright. God, it's like, I should build a water tower or something. Like a waterfall to get down easily. Yeah, so I just realized that there's a tree growing inside my house. It's not good. Yeah, so I did find a diamond. There's only one, which I'm gonna hide it. I'll just put my sword on the wall. I'm actually gonna hide my diamond. I also made a water bucket because we might need it in the future. It's like, I don't know, what is it? Sometimes it doesn't let me down, and I don't know why. I have two iPads for some reason. I actually do want to troll Phil by putting water in his house. I think that would be freaking hilarious. He vlogs and is like, what the hell? There's water in my house. Don't worry, I'll leave a sign saying it was me. Out of all the cows I killed, I only got like one leather. Let's get into the forget how to build a chest. Put the rest of that in there. And we'll be back. Because I know exactly where I'm going to hide my stuff. Hey, Villager, what do you have? Orange? I don't have an orange. I don't have emeralds. Right here. I want to hide my chest in this area. I'll hide it under this. One diamond secured. We'll just cover the rest of this one. We'll just use this useless white stuff. Boom. So that way when I log on next time, I can see if it's in there. And we'll just put it back. You can actually give us some letters. And we'll close the door like we leave them more here. Just gotta climb up this mountain. I have an idea of what I want to do. Put that in. I've always wanted a chest plate. Don't worry, I'll go grinding for some more iron layers. This is gonna be our food stuff. I'm gonna put this other bed in here. Alright. Now we can go get our water bucket and begin. My water bucket's up here, I think. Right? Yeah. We have 9 leather. I think we can just compare like leather armor with the rest of this. Let's make some leather pants. Right? Yeah. All we're lacking is some shoes, but that's okay. Well, I'll see if I can find some more cows and make some with it. And all we have to do now is just fill Phil's house up, close that up. Where did that man's llamas go anyway? they just took off. Good thing we have a supply of water next to us. I didn't bring my pickaxe. I left it inside my house. My water. He's not gonna be happy about this. I'll be back when I find some more water. Or until Phil's house is covered with water. Alright guys, I crafted some more water buckets. Phil's not gonna be happy, man, but I don't care. Oh, boom. This is too fun. Phil's not pretty happy, but hey. It's cold, it's supposed to be funny. This should be enough for me to get on this house, right? I found this chest. How's that? I just realized that we're gonna need to back up. Then I was actually, I broke that window. I'm gonna get rid of all of the evidence. And Phil left a oak block behind his house. He might want to go check that. Why can't I grab that? Oh, there we go. I grabbed it. He's not gonna be happy about this. But it doesn't really matter. I broke his glass. I just replaced my old block. signs saying that we've been over here and gone through. Next episode, I'm actually going to be killing next time. Alright, 6 signs, we'll use 3. Speaking of how, please have leather, buddy. Where'd you go? I'll never run away. Yes, now I can make some shoes. Ooh, now I got full armor. And we'll remove this in here like we never even took anything. Alright, so here you go, look. Water accidentally fell in your house. Spider. Watch out, don't drown. And yeah, that's where we're gonna leave it off. Phil has officially been trolled. And if my diamond was missing in here, then I know one of them's been in here and there will be chaos. Anyways, I have to go back to my house and I should end the episode. This has been a fun episode, I'm not even gonna lie, it was funny. I'm not actually gonna mine the next episode too. The next episode I'm also gonna kill a dog. Next time. This is gonna be a fun series, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, make sure you comment, subscribe, and ask what you want for. Ask me what you want me to do for Bob's house, like a troll, because I don't know what I want to do. Anyways, see you guys next time, and I hope that Phil doesn't troll me back. And please don't take my diamond. Alright, see you guys next time, bye.